Hi guys, for today's video, so today magdula ditag the button. So let's go guys, let's play the button kay dahag active ani na game karon and daha siya gadula. So ato na siyang dulaon unsa na siya kanais nga dula kay daha mag gadula ani na game. Yes, dahag active. So yes, let's go. Okay. Oh, okay na. Nice shot quality, guys. Kinito siya quality na game.
Let's begin with a lighter event.
Okay. Oh, okay. Nice shot quality na game. Okay. Let's go. So, ito na siyang dulaon. Isa siya kanais nga game, guys. Okay. Okay na.
Whoever
Okay,
presses
may
the
button.
button will either be rewarded or terminated.
Okay, press is the... Okay.
Choose wisely.
Choose wisely. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Ay! Hindi na yung naka-paste. Okay, paano na hindi na siya paste, guys. Okay. So, unsa itong
No
button?
participants were terminated.
Okay. Paano na paste, guys? Ay, okay. Hindi na naka-paste. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, bridge. What's that? What's ang bridge? Okay. So, unsa-unta? Ito, unsa itong katingog? Ito, saba lagi. Wait lang. Okay. Sprint. Okay ra. Wait lang. Asa man ta, guys? Asa man to? Wait lang. Nakikita gi. Oh my god. Wait. Unsa to? Wait. Nagpusilanay, guys. Let's go. Pasod lami. Nagpusilanay. Nagpusilanay, guys. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, drill lang ta, guys. Okay, kalma lang kayo. Okay. Hello. Ay, hello. Nakasulod sila. Lawin. Hala, mga matay dito yung tanan dari ron. Magawas na ko. Bahala mo dira ba, ulo. Bahala mo dira, guys. Mga matay tayo dira. Kidirita. Wait lang, ngit lagi. Bakit naman ngit? Okay. Okay, ako na. Let's go. Okay, asa itong agi? Okay, press the button. Okay. Asa ito pag naog? Okay, press ka naog. Okay ka? Nakuha na kong life. Pakita ko nakuha life. Yambak naman ko. Unsa ng pudni? Unsa pudni? Steve. Ito to. Nanapod, guys. Pwede pa sa tumad to. Basta pwede mag-hide. Sabi. Kadara kita siya pusil. Oh my god. Killer to siya. Killer mo? Malaki namatay diri ganina. No, boy. What is that? What? No, sila sila. Zombie na. Hey, that's zombie. Zombie na, guys. Oh my god, wait lang. Wait lang. Ala, mamusil lagi sila. Basta pag sprint. Mamatay na sa aniga. Okay, pwede na makasumbag. Alam mo, run. Kaya, asa to? Namatay ko. Help me, tama. Okay. Wala, asa ko na radalon. Na-survive ko ninyo, guys. Namatay na ko. Ay, namatay ko. Patay na ko. Patabangan ko ninyo, guys. Okay. Okay, salamat. Kisa nag ko na to. Kisa nag-revive sa ko. Okay, thank you sa
Pause to
nag-revive
take
sa ko.
a short
Okay.
break.
I-revive ko, guys. Ano ko na dyan po? Ano dyan po na human? Okay, paano na siya, please? Bakit wala na? Okay. Pandangan sa tadiri, guys. Okay, bakit may chef dito? Talaga chef. Okay, take. And then, saan eh? Para saan eh, guys? Okay na, take. What's this? No door to lock. Okay. Ay. Okay. Let's go. Look! Okay, peace. Ay, okay na naka-peace.
Inside the button zone to
Okay.
survive.
Stay inside the
When the
button
timer ends,
zone to
only
survive
players in
when
the
the
zone will live.
timer ends. Only players in the
Fight
okay.
for control.
Fight for control. Good luck. Okay, let's go. Okay. Pwede ta kasumbag, guys. Okay, mag-fight daw ta. Okay, let's go. Let's fight. Okay, asa man tong kalaban? Eh. Oh, pinat yan yung mitanan? Oh, pinat yan yung mitanan, guys. Bakit mo? Ah! Wait lang. Oh, pinat yan yung mitanan. Carry. Okay. Oh, kita ko na carry. Let's go. Wait lang. Revive sila ko siya. Okay, na-revive na ka, ante. Ay, wala pa din. Okay, revive na ka. It's done. Okay, and... Okay, nana ko yung natabangan, guys. Isa.
The following participants were
Revive ako ni...
terminated.
Ay, namatay na siya. Wala na revive siya, ha. So, sa pang bato. Wait lang. Dito sa taas, guys. Okay. Masa na to?
A participant has been trapped against their will. Save them.
What's that?
Choose
Tayo
wisely.
nandun pa kamatay. Save. I-save na to, guys. Save na to, guys. Press the button. Press the button. Save. Okay. Kasi ako? Me?
I admire your self.
Ako yung naka-face?
It's a shame
Or
it
lahi
has
ang
to be
naka-face.
this way.
Okay. Wait. Okay.
The
Ano to?
following participants were
I think, guys, this is the end of the video. So, yeah.
stopped.
Please enjoy this video. So, yeah. Bye, guys.